What's your relationship with black? Do you never wear it or you can't get enough of it? I'm Sheila, I'm a personal stylist, and I help women find the best styles that suit their body shape, their coloring, and their personality so they can dress well with ease. For the best style tips, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every Tuesday when I upload a new video. Today we're talking about black, how to wear black over 50. Some styling tricks and tips. Number 1, I'm going to talk about the truth about black. And number 2, I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can wear black and look vibrant. And then I'm going to show you some styling tips that you probably hadn't thought about when it comes to black. No matter what your relationship is with black, there are some things that are true about black. Number 1, it is so easy to find. If you go into a store, black is everywhere. Number 2, it is slimming. Although there are other neutrals that are just as slimming. If you wear any dark shade of a neutral, it will be slimming as well. Number 3, it's easy to mix and match because black is black. The only thing you have to look out for is that all blacks aren't the same. So what looks black while you're inside may look like a little different shade of black when you go outside. That's the only thing when it comes to mixing and matching. The other thing is a lot of black sometimes isn't that vibrant. Number 4, we have lots of it because we've been buying black over and over and over again. And for a lot of women, that's why it gets to be so boring and dull. When you think about all the good things there are about black, there are some women who absolutely love black. So in this case, it's annoying when you think that after a certain age, black isn't that flattering. There isn't one certain age that I can put my finger on and say after this age, you can't wear black because of course it's different for everybody. For myself, I noticed that happened about 20 years ago. I wore a lot of black. I love black. And because I have a high contrast, black was good for me. So even if you love black and black still looks good on you, you might not want to wear black all the time because it gets boring. You'll want to bring some pizzazz into your wardrobe and start edging black out. Everyone has their best neutrals, and black isn't the best neutral for everyone. So one tip I could give you is to find your best neutral. What neutral is better for you? Is it brown, gray, navy, taupe? Find your best neutral, and then that will help you slide little ways away from black. If you have a lot of black in your closet and you want to continue to wear black, mostly because it's just too much to get rid of and you'd have to start all over again, you can gradually get black out of your closet, and there are ways that you can wear black that it will look great on you. So I'm going to show you 5 ways right now to wear black so black will be vibrant. You'll look vibrant in black. The first way is to wear black, a black top, a black pants. It could be black pants, black skirt, so you have a black base. And then add a jacket to the black base. So now you have a black top on, but because you have the jacket on, that is near your face. And what we're really trying to do is avoid black near our faces. When black is near your face, it's draining. It drains the color. It makes dark circles appear more obvious. It makes lines show up more. And if it's next to your skin, it can make your skin's imperfections show up more. So one way, the first way to wear black is to have it as a base and then wear a jacket over it. You can also add jewelry or you can add a scarf. And then when you add some accessories, you're bringing that up a notch again. And the main thing about this is black is not around your face. You want to keep it away from your face. Number 2, again, we have the black base. And if you're trying to avoid black around your face, it's better to wear a V-neck or a scoop neck, not a turtleneck, because turtlenecks will be right up around your face. So something that is a scoop or a V-neck. So with this black base, you will wear a jacket or a sweater or a shirt that has color. So you'll bring some color in, and that will be, again, against your face. You can also wear a scarf with the black and the color that you're wearing. So it ties the black and the color together. And that will look better around your face. So now your face is going to have that vibrant glow because the color, and of course you need to pick a color that looks great on you. The color is going to be next to your face. The black is below, so you won't see that. The third way to wear black is instead of the black base, choose a light color top, so a light neutral. Instead, it could be a white one or it could be off-white, depending on which one looks best for you. A light color top, black pants or black skirt, and then add a color jacket or sweater again, so you're adding colors. So now instead of having the just black and the color, now you have black, white, and that color. So you can add a scarf, you can add jewelry. Again, you're creating that interest around your face. You're taking the black away, although you're still wearing black. The fourth way to wear black is with jeans. So the only part of this outfit that will be black is your black top. You'll have your jeans, then you can wear either a vest, you can wear a jacket, or you can wear a blazer, whatever you prefer. So with this outfit, you can wear a scarf to tie together, you can wear a necklace, you can use some jewelry. So when you add handbags and maybe shoes that have some bit of pop to them, some interest to them, that will take the eye away from the black. Now granted, there isn't much black here, it's just a black top. But if you have a closet full of black and you want to wear your black tops, you want to wear your black pants, your skirts, this is a great way to wear them. Also, if you've had a black dress that you've been used to wearing, the little black dress, and now you're thinking, I can't wear that anymore because it's against my face, you could wear a jacket over it or a sweater over it again. It won't look quite as classy as being alone, but depending on your coloring, you probably could wear some really sparkly jewelry with it, and that would take away the harshness of the black against your face. So that's something you could try and still be able to wear that little black dress. The fifth way you can wear black is with black patterns, and there are lots of black patterns to be found as well. And with the black pattern, you can add some color, a colored handbag, a colored shoes. That will bring the interest up a lot. And if your dress or your top has more of the white or beige, whatever it's mixed with, if it has more of that color, that will be better than if it's more black. Black patterns sometimes have more black than they have white, but other times they have more white than black. So go for the patterns that have more white than black. This is great if you have a high contrast. If you don't have a high contrast, this isn't a great look for you. So if you're not high contrast, and a high contrast is somebody who has light skin and dark hair, so there's a big difference between their skin color and their hair color. The key points, number one, is to wear black on the bottom. And number two, if you do wear it on top, wear a jacket, sweater, blazer, a vest over it, so black is kind of disrupted and not really seen against your face. So now let's talk about those 3 additional ways that you can use black to create a vibrant look, or to be able to wear your black. Color and lines and neutrals create illusions, and you can use illusions to make you look smaller, bigger in different areas, and black can do that. So one way black can do that is if you wear black as a pants or skirt, it will make your hips look slimmer, especially if it's against a lighter top. So if you wear a lighter top and dark black pants, your hips will look slimmer. That is the most basic way that black works. Also, if you want to make your upper body look slimmer, you can wear it in a top. So if you want to make your bust look smaller, you can wear black and that will make your bust look slimmer. So that's one way. The second way that black can work for you is with the lines that are in fabric. So if you have a fabric that has a white line and a black line, or black and red, whatever the lines are, the eye follows lines. So you can make your eye, or someone else's eye, follow the line and create a look for your body, whatever you want. So that's a great way to use black. Black accessories create lines. Black accessories can be used to create different looks. So for example, a black belt on an outfit will create a totally different look than a white belt on an outfit. So yes, there's a lot about black, and there's a lot about this topic and other style topics that I don't get into really deep in these videos. However, if you'd like to learn more about style, you can join my style community, where every month I focus on a certain subject and I talk more about that subject, and you'll learn more. So for example, this month, the style topic in my style community is body shape. So we're talking about body shapes, lines, designs, pretty much what I just mentioned there about how lines work. So we're talking about lines, talking about design, and not just about your body shape and what it is, but how it works with lines and design. So next month, it'll be a different topic. So if you're interested in this kind of thing and you'd like to join me and my community, I will put the link down below. We'd love to have you. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. So now you can go out and get that black out of your closet, start wearing it in a new way. And if you've enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends, share it on social media, and give it a thumbs up. And until next time, keep on styling.